How to replace VW CC 2013 to 2018 turn signal light bulb in 6 easy steps. 1. Open the bonnet to reach behind the headlight. Here we have a VW CC 2014 left headlight to show you more clearly what you should do. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Two. Remove the rubber cover. Three. Lift the clamp from the upper side and then take the bulb out. VW CC is using a PWI24W Phillips bulb that you can find it in the video description below. Four. Remove the light bulb and replace it with a new one. Five. Place the new light bulb back in the headlight. You have to place the light bulb exactly in the same way you removed it. Six. Put the rubber cover back. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comments section. If my video was helpful, please like, comment and subscribe or give me a super thanks. Thank you for watching.